Eating a healthy lunch is important even when you are busy. Here are some quick and easy vegetarian lunch ideas you can try. These meals are tasty, simple, and take only a short time to make. Number 1. Vegetable sandwich. Take 2 slices of brown or white bread. Spread some butter or hummus. Add slices of cucumber, tomato, lettuce, and cheese. Sprinkle a little salt and pepper. Close the sandwich and enjoy. Number 2. Chickpea salad. Open a can of chickpeas. Rinse them well and a bowl. Mix the chickpeas with chopped onions, tomatoes, cucumber, and coriander. Add lemon juice, salt, and black pepper. It is fresh, filling, and full of protein. Number 3. Vegetable fried rice. Use leftover rice or cook fresh rice. In a pan, heat a little oil. Add chopped carrots, peas, and bell peppers. Cook for 5 minutes. Add rice, soy sauce, and a pinch of salt. Stir well and your lunch is ready. Number 4. Cheese and spinach wrap. Take a tortilla or flatboard. Spread some cream cheese or hummus. Add fresh Spanish leaves, grated cheese, and sliced bell peppers. Roll it up and eat it fresh or warm. Eat on a pan for 1 to 2 minutes. Number 5. Lentil soup. Cook red lentils with water, turmeric, and salt. In a small pan, heat oil, add chopped garlic, onion, and cumin seeds. Pour this mixture into the cooked lentils. Stir well. It's warm, healthy, and easy to digest. All these ideas are great for home, office, or school. You can make them in 10 to 5 minutes. Add fruits or you're going to complete your lunch. Vegetarian meals are healthy, light, and food for energy. Try them today and enjoy a happy lunch.